Hey there, welcome. So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about funnels, what they are, how effective they are in selling more beats and tracks, and how you can use Inadot to create these funnels. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are an Inadot member, you can head over to the marketing section after you log in. Just open up this little category and you'll see that there is a funnels tab here. So when you click on that, loads all of your funnels. If you don't have any funnels, it won't show any funnels. So to create a funnel, you simply click on the green button here, and that'll prompt you to this option here, and you click create from scratch. And then you give your funnel a name. I will give this a funnel test. And then select your master website, which is where the content pulls from, the beats, the songs, and any other content. So if you don't have a master website created, that would be the first step to load in all of your tracks, songs, or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and select this one and then click create. All right, so here at the bottom, we'll see funnel test. Now when I open it up, it is a blank canvas. There is nothing here. So let's talk a little bit about what a funnel is and how it can help you sell more beats or tracks, services, albums, pretty much anything. It's a skill that is extremely valuable. And if you master this skill of funnels, you definitely will sell more items online than you would with a traditional website. So what is a funnel? A funnel is essentially a series of steps you take your customer through, from being aware of who you are, giving them something of value in exchange for their contact info, and then upselling them on products, that you have. So I think the best way to really demonstrate the power of a funnel is really to just build one. So as you can see here in the funnel editor, I have nothing laid out here. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll just create a new section by adding a section here, add section, and I will add a giveaway form. So as you can see here, we have a giveaway form. There's a base template, it says free giveaway, enter info below to get a free ... So what am I going to give away here for free in exchange for the customers or fans' contact info? Well, I'm going to give away a free beat. You can attach many different things to give away for free, but I'm going to choose to give away a free beat. So, as you can see here, once you click on your form, here on the right side, it says attach free download. So you can click on add here, and then it pulls up your selection of content, tracks, kits, albums, products, images, videos. And since I'm attaching a beat here, I'll go ahead and just click on one of these beats and click confirm. So essentially what this is happening, or what's happening here, is once the user fills out this form, they're gonna get this beat downloaded directly to their device or computer. So, and then I have an option here, which is success action, which means after they download, this beat, what do I want to happen? Do I want to just show a success message? Do I want to go to a different page and try to sell them on something? What do I want? So I'm going to leave it as the default, which is show message, and I'll just replace this with your free beat is downloading. Okay, so as you can see here on the right side, I can customize the title, subtitle. I'm going to obviously make this a lot more obvious to the traffic visitor for what this is. So I'm going to say free beat giveaway and enter in the info below to get a free, beat. Something like that. Okay. So as you can see here, there are 3 fields that are required by default. Your name, your email, and your phone number. A lot of people are sensitive to giving out their phone number. So to make this really easy for the user, I'm just going to go ahead and remove that field. So all they have to do is put in their name and put in their email, and then they can access the free gift. So I'm going to also change this to access free beat. See your free beat, and then here at the top as well, just so it's really obvious for what's going on. And you can customize more properties, like you could change the background color of this to, whatever you want. That's up to you. I really want to just show you guys the power of the funnel and offering something for free in exchange for contact info. So essentially that's it. It's really that simple. Of course, you can, modify your header here, footer here. I'm going to go ahead and just make this hidden. I'm going to make this hidden as well. And so that way it's really straightforward. It's just the user's not confused for what they have to do. And then when I click this eye icon here at the top right, I'll go into the preview mode and we can test it out. So I'll go ahead and put in my name here, Vlad, and then vlad@inadot.com. And now when I click this button, it should automatically start downloading that beat. And there we go, downloading file. And there's the beat located, cruising.mp3. That is pretty much it. Now that the user has gotten the free beat, I also got something in exchange as well, which is their contact info. And now I can use this contact info to actually send them offers, paid offers, things that I actually want to sell to them. But this is a great way to build your email list, your phone number list, so that you actually have an audience of people to sell to. And, people initially, if they don't know who you are, it's a great way to get them into your leads list by just offering them something for free, like a free single, a free beat, a free sound kit, whatever that may be for you. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in at least getting started. I didn't want to overcomplicate it as we have members from all different technical experience backgrounds, but as long as you can follow through this, you can, update your free download with whatever you want, and you can essentially start collecting those emails. And then the last thing I'll add is once you start collecting emails, they will actually show up right here under audience. So once again, in marketing under audience, you can see all of the emails that you've collected, the phone numbers, and you can start, sending email blasts to those individuals. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in creating your first funnel. Definitely feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns, and have a great day.